Another stock that is truly buzzing is Delhivery. In focus, the stock nearly, 11% up. Strong Q4 numbers is what has enthused the street. Mahima joining us with all the details.
Right. So I think what the street is actually enthused about is the kind of substantial margin expansion that has taken place for the counter. EBITDA was also a significant beat despite revenues not, revenues seeing a single-digit odd growth. And the part truckload business is something that has contributed significantly towards margins as well as the overall growth in terms of EBITDA. Express growth, however, express delivery growth has remained tepid. In terms of numbers, revenue growth was at 5.6%. EBITDA stood at 119 crores versus that of 45 crores. So it's almost more than doubled. For margins, they expanded to 5.4% versus that of 2.2%, and net profits stood at 72.6 crores versus that of loss of 68 crores. So the company is also, turned into profitability versus loss last quarter 4 FY24. Now, in terms of what has led to growth, part truck volumes were up almost 19% and it was up 24% in terms of its revenues. Express delivery margins have also improved, and this is due to mid-mile utilizations improvement. Freight handling margins have improved due to lower contractual manpower as well as line haul expenses. In terms of what brokerages are penciling in for this particular counter, Goldman Sachs has maintained neutral but hiked the target price to 325 from 290. What they're saying is that margin sustenance over the next few quarters would be a critical thing to watch out for the stock performance. Morgan Stanley has also maintained equal weight and with a target price of 320. What they're saying is that express parcel volumes and yields were lower than estimated, but the overall part truckload business revenue did beat versus estimates. And lastly, other business performance was also a miss in terms of what the street was expecting or what they were expecting. So this is the overall view as to what has worked for Delhivery.
Okay, definitely, despite valuations and of course those margins continuing will be a big question, but Delhivery having a great day on the street today. Stay on with us, Mahima, because we also want to talk about ABFRL. Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail is poised for a demerger, record date of May 22nd and a 1:1 share ratio, creating lifestyle brands. Give us more details.
So as you rightly mentioned, the record date for the demerger of Aditya Birla Lifestyle and Aditya Birla Brand Lifestyle will be on 22nd of May, and the ratio is 1:1. Now the resulting company, that is Aditya Birla Lifestyle Brands Limited, will be the in-house Madura Fashions Limited, which holds brands like Louis Philippe, Van Heusen, Alan Solly as well as Peter England. Now in terms of how the financials stand at present in terms of these two companies, the brand lifestyle business almost contributes 53% to the overall Aditya Birla Fashion company, and how are streets expecting this in terms of valuations as well as the expectations as to how the share price will evolve. IFL is penciling in 82 rupees share for ABFRL, and for Brands Limited they are expecting share price to be at around 179. In terms of EV to EBITDA, because the company is right now in loss making, we are taking valuations as EV to EBITDA, and it stands at around 11.9 times. In terms of guidance, strong guidance given by management for both of these companies. For Aditya Birla Brands Limited, management is targeting a 13% revenue CAGR over FY30, and they're targeting margin expansion of around 300 basis points to almost 11%. They're targeting an ROCE also of 70% plus in FY30. For Aditya Birla Retail, they are targeting a 20% revenue CAGR over FY25 to 30, and they're expecting margin expansion to around 7% versus loss right now, and ROCE is expected at 18% plus in FY30. Plus, they'll also be raising funds post the demerger, that is the retail segment, and this could be up to almost 2,500 crores. So, all of these details are significant to watch out for before the company gets demerged on 22nd of May.